Good afternoon, everybody. I finally found a Philippine cobra egg. Have you ever seen a cobra egg? This is a Philippine cobra egg. A snake egg has a unbreakable shell, just an elastic object, like it's hard to break. And the Philippine cobra is belong of the very venomous snake in the world, very dangerous. This is the Philippine cobra egg. I'm afraid here now. To all of you out there, be careful when you're going to walk in your farm, in your fields. Don't forget to wear your boots, just like me, wearing boots to keep safety every day. And to all of the viewers, my valued followers, thank you so much for watching my video. God bless us all.